Yes, my people. Today me go plant some renta yam, known as soft yam. Yeah, man. Plant some today, yeah, with some goat manure. Yeah, clean out the goat pen. So me go use the manure and plant it. You don't know, me creep it out over 3 weeks and put it in the sun. If you go and break down and thing. Yeah, man. So me go plant it. You don't know the thing. Go. Yes, I. Yes, see it, yeah. Planting some renta head with some goat manure. Yeah, man. Let me just do it like this, you know. Yeah. Clean out the goat pen and the manure if it break down. Yeah, man. So just do it like this. Then I go cover it with some dirt and thing. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So me do it. Goat manure good feed, man. And if you have all the cow manure, yeah, same way you do it. Yeah, man. So the thing set up. Yeah, man, me have some cow manure too. When me put for break down. So me I go use it for me renta yam head. Yeah, man, to get a good production next year. Alright? Yeah, man. So me look, me creep them up and put them for break down. Yeah, man. So a goat manure and cow manure. This. Yeah, man, and then me put some topsoil on it. Yes, man. I tell the people. Whenever me do it, so man, me get good production a year time. Good production. Yeah, man. So you think set up, man. See how you look? Yeah. Rich cow manure and goat manure, man. What? Rent I am beard on this, me I tell you, say. Tall like a fuck. And big like a jump. Yeah, man.